Hello guys! This time I'm gonna talk about stitching holes. We sometimes get stitching holes that don't match up with each other like this. Even if they start at the same point, we get this. So I'm gonna explain how to fix it. As you can see, stitching holes don't match up with each other right here. This part went far for this part. First move is from here to here. And then pierce the other needle through this way. See? The next stitch got matching holes. Don't pull this thread too hard. This one is a fake stitch, so if you pull too hard, it's gonna be bumpy. With this way, you can manage stitching holes. The same goes with the saddle stitch. Well, that's it for today, but I'm working on a simple iPad briefcase, so see you soon, bye!